Let's talk about streaming videos from your computer to your iPhone without losing any quality. Now, this is a term which some people are searching for, and essentially, in case you want to move over some of the movies and stuff that you have on your computer, you want to watch them on your phone. Well, if you're using Netflix or like Disney or whatever on your computer, you can just get the app and log in on your phone, obviously, but that's a much better option. Keep in mind that in case you actually want to stream and get stuff from the computer, I would recommend you to get some sort of app. Some options include the VLC player, which you can see that my library is now empty because this is obviously not the regular media player. Essentially, you get to sync the files from your computer, or you can share them via Wi-Fi or from the cloud. And essentially, if you have some stuff on the cloud or in any of these places, you can use the VLC player to get the content to your phone, and usually it's not going to lose any quality. Obviously, when you're using Wi-Fi, it also depends on your connection strength and stuff like that, but generally speaking, you're not losing any sort of quality. Also, other streaming apps include, for example, one called Plex. So this is what it looks like, and essentially you can use it to also connect your computer with your phone and stream stuff directly on your phone. You need to set it up. Obviously, you also get like the live TV and stuff, but this is another option. Obviously, I don't know what exactly you're trying to achieve or what your exact objective is, but I'm just showing you the examples that you can check out. Also, there is one app called Air Video, which I'm gonna quickly show to you right now. Just an idea of what you could use. I believe this is the exact way it should be called. Not necessarily, I don't think I can find it, but essentially there is another app which I have in mind, but I cannot really find it in here. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know what exactly you want to do, what you're using your iPhone for in terms of like streaming content. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the future.